We're not in Cafe in Westwood anymore. It's Happy Panda Kitchen Pot or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, but I've seen like so many locations of it, like in other.
Wait, this building's crazy.
I feel like
You
I'm
feel
in
like you're
the Bay Area.
I'm in Japan right
Oh.
now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's that place. This is just
Rainbow?
Sawtell, bro.
I know, I was just gonna say, wait, what is that, guys?
Wait, go this way.
I didn't even put my number of seats. What?
You didn't even
I didn't even say.
party?
Well, yeah, because I just put in my number.
But these won't work, right?
Oh my god, that one's really cute.
Wait, I'm really good at claw machines because in lab I have to control my robotic arm, so I've gotten really good at it.
Wait, literally play, bro.
claw machines.
Which one should I get?
That one, literally that one.
These are all
Oh my
I hate all
gosh.
of these.
Is this a claw machine place or a sauna? Never mind.
What? Oh, yeah, let's just do that.
Gossip Girl before Boiling Point.
Oh, God.
Oh no, what happened to her? We should ask
Wait, free drink.
Either here or but I just like that's how I felt today.
Oh wait, I should also ask them for my free pot.
Yeah, wait.
I just spilled milk everywhere.
What the fuck is it?
Caught on camera.
Can I also get like a free pot for my birthday?
Yeah, I need to see the ID.
I mean, don't fly. There's a lot of things that don't work. Yeah, I'll ask for a lot. There may be, 1,000 tears waiting for nothing. That's what they do.
Okay, got you. And you can choose one free drink.
Oh my god, free drink.
What would you recommend?
Just get a Hokkaido milkshake. It's the popular.
Oh, I don't like that one.
You know, yeah.
Passion fruit green tea.
Oh yeah, I'll get passion fruit. Can
Yeah.
I just like ask me?
Oh.
But you can keep
It's really sweet, but it's still good.
But we have like a million.
This is also really sweet. We have 4 drinks. 5 drinks. Wait, this is so sweet though.
Really? Can I try it? You wanna try mine? Oh, this one's really sweet. You wanna try it?
No.
I made it sweet.
It's really sweet.
What's on drinks right now?
Look what they're playing.
I know.
Do that.
That was so good.
1 drink, 2 drink,
I could poke this
3 drink, 4 drink.
like a million drinks.
Hydration. Hydration.
That's really good though. Why are they like snakes?
What? Scary. Why are there Sour Patch cupcakes? That's so weird.
Low key.
Sour Patch cupcakes.
Wait, what the hell?
Okay, I need to pee. I
Slime
need to
final.
pee. I need to pee. I need to pee. I need to pee. I need to
They
pee.
don't have shit like this at like.
Whole Foods.
But you think they would have that? A Sour Patch
Yeah,
cupcake.
fuck Whole
And you get
Cute jeans. Oh my god!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
What was your favorite part of the birthday? The last 24 hours.
I really like the boiling point preparation.
Right.
No, but I enjoyed going out with you guys. That was fun.
I enjoyed seeing I can't say his name on tape. I enjoyed seeing
Oh yeah. What's his name?
Oh,
You have to delete this right now.
it's going on the interwebs.
Absolutely not.
Literally, it's gonna forever be